Good morning, dear student. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today's our topic is rocks. What is the meaning of rocks? Rock is made of the hardest part on the earth of in lithosphere. Understand? You can see rocks in near you. That second topic is here minerals. What is the minerals? Rocks are made of many composition of many things, that is called minerals. Next is ores. What is the meaning of ores? Many rock has the quality of metals. Which rock has the quality of or small particle of metals, that is called, that rocks is called ores. Understand? A minerals has the different chemical composition with its own chemical. Every rocks has the different physical or chemical quality. Understand, dear students? Because every rocks is not same in the color, they can be not same in the size and not the same quality. Next topic is here, what is the importance of rocks? What is the importance of rocks? You can see what is the importance of rocks or hardest part of the in the lithosphere. First is building. Whenever you make a building near you, you made by rocks. It is a form of rocks which you use in the making building, that is bricks, stones. Understand? What second is crops. When the rocks disintegration means break into the small particles, it makes soil. It means soil which is used for the growing crop. Understand? Third is metal. What is the metal? What is the use in the metal? We already read many rocks have the quality of metals. Then you takes from the metals, from that many costly, suppose uh, silver, gold is formed in the rocks. Understand, dear students? Next, second topic is here types of rock. Today we only see the introduction of types of rocks. There are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks is made by the which rocks is made by the fire. When the under the earth volcanic eruption happened, then by the volcanic eruption there are lots of magma with soil soil water comes above the earth, and after the many years it take a form of rocks. It is called igneous rocks. Second is sedimentary rocks. After sedimentary rocks is that rocks which is formed to the which is accumulated from the sea, lakes, ponds, river, which is formed due to the material of rivers, lakes. Dear students, you can see near the river there are lots of the form of rocks, that is made of the sedimentary, that is called sedimentary rock. Metamorphic, third is metamorphic rocks. This rocks is formed to the two rocks by the igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. When these two types of rocks present in the earth, and many changes of temperature, weathering conditions happened on this takes it is it's changed to its properties and takes new properties, and it is called, when it's take a new form, that is called metamorphic rocks. Thank you, dear student. Hope you understand well. Thank you.